This is work of both truth and fiction. Please use your brain to understand. We are low on budget. Frankly speaking, we don't have any budget. So don't go on every scene or frame. Similarity with Kubernetes technology is not a coincidence. I put a lot of effort to make that coincidence. This is just a funny interactive way to understand Kubernetes. So relax, learn and enjoy.
Today I am going to tell you a story. It's a story of progress, a never-ending multi-generation, multi-star story. It's a story of a faraway unknown world surrounded by an endless ocean called the internet. There was a man with a crown. Not because he was from a royal family, he himself was powerful and has some unknown special skills. He was very popular among people around him. But what made him so powerful in the town? Why people were crazy about him and what he has done for them? This is an adventurous story of that. There were two islands in this world, one in which God lives and on another normal humans live. There were no difference between gods and humans. They both take birth and die, they both have normal routines, they both have to work, they both go to the market, they both are very kind. They are very similar. Except God has some superpowers of making good and tasty beverages. Beverages in this word means a lot. It's not a leisure thing here. It's like a food to them. They have to keep consuming beverages for their survival. But the problem is that only people from God Island know how to grow beverages plant and how to make them. Also, the people of God Island try to teach them how to make beverages by their own, but humans find it very complicated to make a beverage. Also, the land of Human Island was not that much fertile as of God Island, but gods were very kind to supply beverages to humans. There were different castes of God on God Island based on what work they do. One of them are developer gods. Their work was to make perfect beverages. Another one are tester gods, whose work was to taste beverages before sending beverages to humans. Once, a developer god made a special beverage. Developer god was so happy to make that tasty and healthy beverage. Following the normal procedure, it went to the tester god. But tester god rejected, saying that this is not healthy and had a very bad taste. Developer god became very angry and started fighting with the tester god. They both went to manager god to resolve their issue. Manager God listened to both and ordered Developer God to make the beverage again. Developer God again made that beverage, and this time he tested this beverage like 100 times before he gave it to manager. And once confirmed that this is the same tasty beverage that he made first, he gave it to the manager God. But even manager God doesn't found it tasteful. Developer God was shocked and he drank it again. It was tasteful for him. He insists manager God to drink from his glass once more. Manager God told him if he doesn't find this beverage tasty, he will fire him from the God community. Developer God accepted the offer. Manager God drinks it, and this time he found it very tasteful. According to him, this is the best beverage he ever had. Then they realized that beverage taste depend on the utensil in which they were drinking, like a gold utensil or silver or earthen pot. The combination of both utensils and ingredients make that beverage special. So now gods have the additional responsibility of supplying a combination of utensils and beverages to humans. Also, earlier, beverages used to contain only one ingredient, which they used to supply them in a small box. But with the time, God developed new varieties of beverages in which there were multiple ingredients required to make tasty and special beverages. So gods realized that they need something in which they can send the beverages along with the utensils. So they went to another demigod who worked as a docker, who can create, load and unload container from the ship. Demigod created a container for them. But now the issue arises how they will take these big containers to the human island. Docker suggested that he has a son named Swam who can make a ship and take these containers to human. But God saw that Swam was very ill and weak, so they didn't choose him for this work. They went to the royal palace and tell them about their issue that they need someone brave who can not only make a strong ship but also a brave driver of the ship. After hearing the issue, Royals smiled and told them about their grandson, who was very patriotic, has done engineering and shipbuilding. Later he joined Navy as a captain. Not only he can make the ship, but also he can sail in the ocean between high tides and between the pirates and take it securely to the human island. His name is